Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix if the USB pen drive is not detecting on your Android phone. So as you can see guys, I have connected my USB pen drive. In the notification panel it was showing charging connected, as you can see guys, but this same USB drive, when I am connecting in my laptop, so the USB pen drive was detecting very perfectly fine. So I will show you. As you can see guys, now I have connected it. So the USB pen drive was connected. So as well, in the file explorer, this PC, the USB pen drive is showing. Okay, so when I am trying to connect this USB pen drive via OTG adapter, as you can see guys, the pen drive is not showing when I am opening any file manager. So it was showing external SD card, but USB pen drive is not showing up there. So if you are facing the same problem issue on your Android phone, so this video is only for you. You can watch this video till end and fix it properly. First you need to enable the OTG connection on your phone. Open your phone settings. Here in the phone settings, here you need to search OTG connection. So if the OTG connection was disabled, you need to enable it. In some old phone guys, the USB OTG connection pen drive connectivity feature is not available. In some old phone, 8 years back or 10-year back phone, if you are using in that phone, you can't able to access the USB pen drive. So one more setting is this guys, you need to enable the developer option on your phone. To enable it guys, open your about phone, tap on software information, tap on build number continuously 7 to 6 times, and now you need to enable the developer option. Okay, in the developer option, and here scroll down and find out USB debugging. You need to enable this. Now disconnect your USB pen drive from your phone completely and restart your phone one time. After restarting, connect it back. Hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Let's see. I will open the file manager. So as you can see guys, USB storage is now showing USB storage 1. So this is my actual USB drive. Now my problem was 100% fixed. Okay, still in case you're facing the same type of problem, now you can try this method. Tap and hold on your file manager, which file manager you are using, and open the app info and open the permission, and here you need to enable the all necessary permission. Okay, go back, open the storage. Simply here you need to clear the cache of this app. Okay, and then close this and disconnect your USB pen drive and connect it. It will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you need to format your USB pen drive using your PC or laptop. Disconnect it and connect your pen drive to your laptop. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have connected my USB pen drive. Now if you have important data available on your USB pen drive, you need to first back up this data to your another drive, and then you need to format your USB pen drive. Okay, this is the last and final solution. After formatting, it will fix your problem. So just right click on it, select format. Here is main important setting guys. In the file system, here you need to select exFAT32 or FAT32 only. If you select NTFS format will not support on your Android phone. That's why you need to select exFAT32 or FAT32, and then simply you need to format your pen drive. After formatting, connect your USB pen drive to your phone. Now it will 101% fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method solution to fix this issue. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.